is Cherise Voltori, and I'm owner of Global Songwriters Connection. Thank you for making and taking the time to search for answers on what to do next for your music career. Perhaps you're just getting started and I'm your very first connection. What a joy and an honor that is for me. Or maybe you're a professional writer who in this transitional industry are needing to be reconnected to relationships, opportunities, and learn about new income opportunities that are out there in this current market. Through Global Songwriter Connections, we have online services such as webinars, career mentoring, special events where you will connect face-to-face with industry representatives that can help you to further your career. You know, a lot of companies have a mission statement, but I have a mission, and it's called Encourage, Equip, and Empower. My goal is to encourage, equip, and empower as many creators as I can with the message that you can. You can do this. You can reach people with your music. You can make a difference with your music. And you can make a living with your music. And that's a message that even many professional writers need to be reminded of today. You may be wondering how I know how to help you. I often say that you have the want to and I have the how to. My passion is creating step-by-step personalized plans that magnify and amplify who you are as a creator. I've been able to gain this experience in my life, first of all, through my family. My father was a songwriter, my mother a singer. I was a successful indie artist. I'm a singer and a songwriter myself. So I know, in addition, how to develop your songs. I know how you feel and what that feeling is like, but also, I've had 20 years of music industry experience on Music Row, from everything from being a staff writer myself, being a song plugger, having deep relationships with the publishing community, the label community here, and I've also been fortunate to be placed where I've been able to work with worldwide catalogs, such as the worldwide catalog of Hank Williams Sr., Hank Jr., through Merle Kilgore, the worldwide catalog of Roy Orbison, through my years of working with Barbara Orbison, and now I want to work for you. I love our online services. There is no cookie cutter one-size-fits-all plan. So I look forward to connecting and making the connection with you no matter where you are in the process, whether you're just starting or a professional that needs to reconnect. It's all about you. And speaking of you, one of the cool things at GSC is that we have what's called You First services. It's all about not only equipping and empowering your songs, but empowering you for success. Let's get started today. Remember, at GSC, you, your music, and your membership, it matters.